Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook center cut pork chops to perfection. First, gently pat your pork chops completely dry with paper towels, a crucial step for achieving that great sear later on. Next, generously season both sides with coarse sea salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and your favorite dried herbs like thyme. Before cooking, allow the chops to sit at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps them cook more evenly. Once your skillet is hot, add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place the seasoned pork chops into the pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Sear each side for a good 2 to 3 minutes, allowing a beautiful, deep golden brown crust to form. This crucial step creates incredible flavor and texture before oven finishing. After achieving that perfect sear, carefully transfer the entire oven-safe skillet directly into your preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. Roast the pork chops for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, depending on their thickness. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature reaches precisely 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Pull them out right at this temperature for maximum juiciness. Once your pork chops reach the ideal internal temperature, immediately remove them from the oven. Transfer the chops to a cutting board or a warm plate and loosely tent them with aluminum foil. It is absolutely essential to let them rest for at least 5 to 7 minutes before you even think about slicing. This resting period allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, guaranteeing a tender and incredibly flavorful chop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.